Before you go to Home Depot to buy something for roaches, please watch this video because I'm going to tell you exactly why you shouldn't be buying stuff from Home Depot, because it's going to make your stuff worse, your roach problem worse. So let's get into it. Now, there's a few things you should know. Most chemicals we're using are non-repellent for the pest control side, right? We know non-repellents are better. Now, if you go to Home Depot, there's a lot of chemicals in there that are repellents. Why is repellents bad? Repellents bad because all you're doing and telling the roaches is there's a barrier here. We can't go here right now. Let's move to another location until this is gone. That's all you're doing. You're not killing them. You're not stopping them. It might feel like that, like a wind. Like, I'm spraying this, they're going away. Yeah. Reality, they're behind your walls, just repopulating even more. You don't want a repellent. You want a non-repellent. Sorry. And what chemicals are those? Raid. Raid is the #1 thing people use for roaches. Isn't that crazy? And it makes things worse. Kind of like the marketing is working, right? Raid is bad for roaches. It kills them on contact. I will never deny the strength of Raid. That chemical knocks down anything. Amazing. If it's not to like try to take an infestation, Raid is A1. I give it that. It knocks down everything. But for infestations, no, you should not be using Raid. Raid just makes things worse. Home defense. Home defense does the same thing. It's a non-repellent. It knocks things down, but it doesn't take care of the problem. You're just pushing them into another part of your home, right? You should not be using those two. Those two are the main things I see on a daily. Raid, home defense. Raid, home defense. Don't use those. Don't take those. Don't buy those if you're trying to get rid of a roach infestation or any kind of infestation, because all you're going to do is push them to some other area. Then once that wears off, they'll be back, right? Those two items you should not be using. I can suggest some things to use. WXG Alpine is a very good thing for roaches. It's a non-repellent. It has some IGR in it. You can buy some more IGR. It's a Gentrol, pour it in there, mix it in there, spray around your area where the roaches are actively at, where the nest is actively nesting, and spraying in there, and that should take care of the roaches for you slowly but surely. If you keep doing that, of course, with some bait and other measures, you can get rid of roaches as well. But stop using Raid and home defense. Please stop. I'm tired of seeing that. It's not going to work. It's gonna make things worse for you. And if you do need help with more, I have a community at the bottom in the description. You can go there, ask me questions. I help you as well. If you any concerns, guidance, I'm there. Let's go there. I'll see you guys there. See ya.